Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're talking about Zippos. I got one of my Zippos here, black on black. What do you think about that? Very cool. Do you like the black inserts? But I also have another one. It's not black on black, but it's still black. And this guy right here is not a Zippo. This is a Zippo copy, you know, a fake, let's call it. I mean, I can't really say fake because it doesn't have any markings. Literally no markings anywhere. There's no markings on the case. There's no markings on the insert. It's Zippo, obviously the same design. The fill pad is super thin, cheesy. But this is just a copy from, this one specifically is DHgate. I've never ordered from DHgate before, and my wife wanted to pick up something that was on there, something small, and I was looking, I'm like, hey, you know what? Let me try these out. Now, here's my problem, is that this should cost probably $1. But it didn't. It was $5. And because I never shopped on DHgate before, I didn't realize that a lot of the stuff shows like minimums. So like the price might be, let's say, $2 for something, but you can't just buy one of them. You have to buy 30 or 50 or 200. That's stupid. I don't like that. I'm not a big fan of the site. Not a big fan of that. Like there's so many other, you know, companies that are just like it, obviously. So that's probably the last time I'll ever order from DHgate, unless there's something very specific that only they have. But yeah, so I figured, you know, let me just try it out. I don't know, maybe it's just times are changing, but like a knockoff Zippo like this, which is nothing special at all, literally would have been 99 cents, and probably still is like 99 cents from maybe Temu or one of the other places. But yeah, they're $5, and I had to buy 2 of them. Last second, I'm like, ah, fine. So here, I got another one here. Didn't even open. Just come, that's it. It was an envelope in this. This one brand new. Zippo design. Same deal. But there's no markings. So it's not like they used to like put fake markings on there. I don't even bother anymore. Like, whatever. It's a waste of time. If people want to buy them, they're going to buy them. It works. It works. I'll tell you what I don't like about it. You see how high that flame is compared to the regular Zippo? I made a video before. You can kind of adjust the flame by moving the wick towards or away from the wheels. The problem is that this fake Zippo, the wick itself is a smaller diameter, so what ends up happening is there's not as tight of a fit inside of the hole that goes into the tank where the gas is, and because of that, it just allows more gas to come out. So let me see, I don't know, you're not going to be able to really probably see the difference. But yeah, I mean, it's a tighter fit in the Zippo, so it doesn't allow the fuel, like what's actually being lit is the fuel that's on the wick in the Zippo. But in the case of this fake one, it's allowing gas to come out around the wick. So there's no way to lower the flame. It's too big for my liking. You know, some people might like a huge flame like this, but there's no way to fix that or control that. I suppose if I put a genuine Zippo wick in here, it'd have a tighter fit, assuming that the tube that goes into the insert is the same diameter. But I don't care that much to even try it out. I'm just kind of reporting my experience here. So, I mean, because they're $5, just spend the extra $5 and get a real Zippo from like Walmart. You get them as cheap as 10 or 11 bucks now. You could buy them used, you know, even cheaper online, I'm sure. You know, go to eBay or something, you can get random designs. But it's not worth it, in other words, to me. Because if I have a problem with this, it's $5 down the drain. That's it. If it's broken, something's wrong, it's just gone forever. The difference is if I actually spend $10 or $15, which is not that much more, and I have a problem with it, I could send it back to Zippo. And you guys know they're going to replace it every single time for free. It costs me shipping, of course, but you can go cheap shipping if you want, a couple bucks. So instead of getting something like this and it breaks and just keep buying new ones and replacements, I'd rather just get the actual real Zippo. Now, if these were 99 cents, like they should be, that's different. Then, okay, I understand if you're not like a collector of Zippos, you don't care about all the cool stuff that is Zippo, and you just want a Zippo style lighter, then yeah, for $1, sure, why not? But $5, and then I had to buy 2, so really I had to spend $10 for 2 of them. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna pass up on it because it's not the same quality at all. It really isn't. This one feels lighter. I mean, the hinges might be very similar, but I mean, overall, what you're really paying for with Zippo, besides the design, is you're paying for the warranty. The fact that this will always work, and when it doesn't work, they'll fix it or replace it for free. Whereas this, it's SOL. So I'm going to say no for $5. For $1, yes, but this wasn't $1. So anyway, I just want to share with you guys, though. Let me know if there is one of those Chinese sites that sells these for $1. I mean, if it looks similar to this one anyway. But yeah, overall, I'm just kind of disappointed. I mean, you know, guys, even though I sold my Zippo collection, I still have plenty of Zippos. If I want another one, I'm going to buy an actual Zippo brand one. I'm going to get a design I like, and I'm going to get a, you know, quality product. Where this is almost as good. And it's not, there's not like a whole lot going on here with these lighters, but it's just, I don't have the satisfaction of having a real Zippo. I don't get that same joy. It's like if you're really into Harley Davidsons, you buy a Harley Davidson, it's like, wow, it's amazing. But you buy some other random bike, you're not getting that Harley Davidson experience, right? It's not the same. There's reasons why you buy one or the other, but you know, it's just one of those things. I don't know. I mean, Zippo has so much of a history. This has no history. It's just a copy. It's like buying a copy of anything. I mean, if you're a woman and you want like a Coach bag, you buy the Coach bag. But if you can't afford it, you buy a copy. Does it really bring you the same satisfaction? Probably not. It's good enough, I guess, for the money. But, you know, if you want anything of quality, it's always better to just wait and save and sacrifice and get the real deal and have that full experience than just going cheap just to go cheap. Because if you want a real Zippo and you don't want to spend, again, the $12 or $13, you just want to spend $5, are you really enjoying it? Probably not. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day. And like I said, if you have, you know, cool places to buy cheap, you know, Zippo stuff, real Zippos, feel free to share it. But we all know where to get the fake ones. So don't need help with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.